is the makar of the entire Mishnayos of what he's of his life's.
No, if you don't know, he didn't write down the Mishnayos.
What? He codified them.
Big difference.
So why did he feel necessary to put an introduction or whatever?
What?
Or feel necessary to put a Mishnah in before brachos, or a Mishnah in Avos, or a Mishnah wherever?
About what?
That to say that Chanukah is the beginning of Torah Shabbat.
Why does he have to say that?
Because it's like, it would be a big deal, wouldn't it be? I mean, it's the beginning of
because then if you express that too much, you fall into a dangerous situation. Because people will start saying that Torah Shabbat, like the Sadducees did, that was made up. You don't want to stress so much the beginning of Torah Shabbat. You understand what I'm saying?
No, I don't think so.
If you stress that Torah Shabbat began then, so then...
so they started making it up then.
Right, cast aspersions on the Masorah. So you have to be very careful with things like that.
I see.
Okay, but the point is like this. The point is that when Chanukah was first made, it certainly had only the quality of something which is Torah Shabbat. And something which only Torah Shabbat is something which is really beyond the existence of this world. It's not embedded in the existence of this world. And since it's not embedded in the existence of this world, it became a real issue whether to keep Chanukah or not.
It's really also because the nearest are something that's really you can't hold them like a lulav. You can't.
Right, and candles also themselves are not something you can grasp. They're something which are ethereal as well, right? So Chanukah only because that's why they had to wait a year in order to determine whether, nevertheless, there was something here which really should make them change things around in terms of the calendar or observances and so on and so forth. But the point is like this. Chanukah itself, when it came into being, it had no connection to Maisa, and no connection to actual deed because of its nature as being a yontav of Torah Shabbat. After the leniency to write down Torah Shabbat took effect, so now Chanukah itself has a writing, so to speak, meaning that it is more embedded in the creation than it was beforehand.